I found this pencil today. It's a regular pencil. I found this book. So ambiguity means indecisiveness. Tell me this is in some kind of creative divine intervention. Here you're drawing a banana. I drew this off the top of my head by looking at a banana, and I was looking at this in a coffee shop, and I just drew it. So I'm actually quite proud of myself to just draw this from looking at it. So and the fascinating phenomenon with drawing with a regular pencil and illustrating or demonstrating a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular copy, a regular book. A regular